Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today's Bitcoin price action was nothing short of exciting. Let me walk you through my recent trades, the heat map analysis, and some game-changing updates on ETF inflows that could push us closer to breaking 100,000. A couple of days ago, I entered a bigger position around 95.8 thousand, following a reliable signal from my strategy on the 1-hour chart. This time frame rarely disappoints, so I entered confidently. Not long after, the price spiked to 97.4K, and on the 15-minute chart, I spotted an exit signal. I shared my thoughts in real time on Discord, deciding to hold out for higher time frame exits. But what happened next was wild. Within 4 hours, the price round-tripped back down. I stayed in the trade longer and rode it out. Yesterday, we bottomed at 93.6K, and today, just 2 days later, we hit a new peak at 97.1K. When I saw another exit signal on the 15-minute chart, I set my profit takes at 96.8K to avoid another round trip, and this turned out to be a great decision. Not long after my exit, the price dropped to 95.6 thousand, way below my initial entry. This trade earned me a solid 1% spot gain, which on 10x leverage would have been a clean 10% gain in just 2 days. It's a great example of learning from past mistakes and applying those lessons to new trades. Now here's where things got interesting. I missed a re-entry signal on the 15-minute time frame after the local low, but I eventually re-entered around 96K. This time, I decided to hold because the higher time frames showed clear signs of bottoming out. We even had a beautiful bullish divergence on the 15-minute chart when testing the 95.2K yellow horizontal line. So far, this position is back in profit, and I'm eyeing the next exit signal on the 15-minute time frame. Let's talk liquidation heat maps. The 3-day heat map has one clear target, 97.5K. Bears, we're coming for you. Meanwhile, the 1-week heat map is glowing with massive short liquidity, around 98.7K. Billions in short volume are stacked at this level, which was already broken in November. Seriously, what are these people thinking? Are they just waiting to get liquidated? And now for the ETF news. Bitcoin ETF inflows are off the charts. BlackRock alone brought in $697 million today, $693 million yesterday, and $337 million the day before on December 2nd. These inflows have been massive since November 29th. Guys, don't forget, we're in the fourth quarter of a halving year. Historically, when November delivers strong returns, December often outshines it. With this momentum, breaking 100,000 could just be a matter of time. And just as I was wrapping up this video, we saw an incredible pump in Bitcoin's price. Let me update you quickly before we close things out. The Bitcoin price action just got even more exciting while creating this video. So let me share the latest developments with you. Buckle up because this could be the moment we've all been waiting for. Earlier, I told you about my position from 95.8K that I held through the ups and downs. But here's the breaking news. As Bitcoin pumped past 98,000, my take profit orders were triggered, closing my full position around 98,000. This means I exited prematurely since we didn't see an official exit signal on the 15-minute chart yet. A bit frustrating, but still a solid gain. Here's the funny part. I checked the liquidity heat map right after the pump, and guess what? There's no visible resistance left toward 100K. We've completely cleared out the short liquidity. Bears, you've officially been devoured. Now the big question is, can we finally break 100,000 in the next few hours? Is this the historical moment we've all been anticipating? What do you think? Are we about to break 100,000, or is there another twist in this wild market? Let me know in the comments below. As always, join the Discord for real-time updates, like the video if you find this analysis helpful, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. Let's see where Bitcoin takes us next, and see you in the next one.